This is not a video about partying.
And it just happened to take place at night.
So when we hear political economy, we think about government, markets, in an air-conditioned room. But what if I tell you that it also wears heels, sneakers, and fake IDs? So, welcome to Metro Manila Nightlife. Who controls the night? Who controls the night? Or who controls the night? It's the hidden political economy of Nightlife Collective in Metro Manila. I am Reynald B. Bautista, and this study asks a dangerous question.
Who actually controls the night?
After the pandemic, young people flooded back into clubs, not just to drink, but to reconnect to belong. And that's when nightlife collectives quietly became powerful. They didn't own the clubs, but they owned the crowd. In Makati and Taguig, one collective stood out. Let's call it Paradigm. Paradigm doesn't just throw parties. Paradigm decides who gets in. So Paradigm structure. At the top is the CEO, who controls the capitals and decision. Below are the executive and admins for coordination and strategy. Below are the creatives who manufacture desire. Below are the host managers who enforces disciplines. And last but not the least are the host, who converts friendship into profits. Looks familiar, right? It should be. It's political economy. So, Paradigm has no badge, no laws, no police. Yet it governs. Guest list becomes borders, tickets becomes currency, and exclusivity becomes ideology. In the club, people perform version of themselves. Richer, cooler, more connected, and sometimes even older. Identity becomes flexible, but access remains unequal. This study calls it microhegemony, a small-scale system where power feels natural, where inequality is accepted because the music is good. Nightlife isn't just a nightlife. It's governance without government, capital without corporations, power without paperwork. So next time when you're out at the Friday night, ask yourself, am I partying or am I participating in the political economy? Because even the night has a system. Thank you so much.